好，我是汇开网的 Cindy。今天我们很荣幸请到了阿曼纳资本的全球销售总监 Adia Sign。Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
Firstly, could you please introduce yourself, your company, and your history to our audience?
Absolutely. So my name is Aditya Singh. I handle retail and IB sales at Amana Capital. Amana Capital is a firm, has been around for almost 10 years now. We're originally a Middle Eastern company, but over the last 5 or 6 years, we've expanded rapidly into Europe and Asia. We're a fully FCA regulated firm. I'm actually based out of London, and over the next few years and months, hopefully we'll be focusing more on China and the Southeast Asian market as well. We're a broker. We offer FX, CFDs, gold and oil, as well as more products. Cryptocurrencies will be coming in very shortly in the next few months.
Okay, thank you. So what do you think of the current market in China?
Great question. Right. I think the Chinese market at the moment it's very diversified. There's a lot of brokers. There's hundreds of brokers, and it's obviously size-wise it's a huge market. Now, it's in a state of turmoil at the moment. There's a lot of change happening. Investors here, FX traders here, are becoming more and more savvy. They're more sophisticated. They're more knowledgeable, and they understand what constitutes a good broker and what is a bad broker. I think at the moment we're seeing an emerging market of more and more FCA-regulated firms that provide the same level of customer service and support and trading in China as they do to their customers in countries like UK and Europe. Okay, so that's obviously something that's very important. Now, the other side of it is we have a lot of brokers here who unfortunately don't follow the rules. So a lot of them are unregulated. There's a lot of issues with clients actually ending up losing money. It goes missing there, and there's as you can see, if you go to Shanghai Money Fair, there's a lot of protests and demonstrations because the brokers aren't assisting the clients in the right way. They're not handling their money in the right way, and they're not being. If I'm honest, they're not being wholly honest with their clients. Clients are now becoming more savvy and intelligent. They understand what is going to work for them and what isn't going to work for them, and so there's going to be a lot of consolidation in the Chinese market in terms of number of brokers, and it's brokers like Amana Capital that will be left standing because obviously we are a fully regulated broker and will be offering clients the best trading environment.
Okay, thank you for your answer. And so, what is your strategy for Chinese market?
Well, for China, it's. I think one thing we should say is China is such a huge country that no two areas are the same. So the market and the client perspective and experience in Southeast China, in let's say Shenzhen, Guangzhou, Guangdong, is going to be completely different to the way it's going to be over in the Northwest. It's going to be completely different. So, as opposed to saying what's our strategy for China, we actually have strategies for regions within China. That's what I feel is going to set us. Really, it's going to set us apart from our competitors. Which is instead of having one setup for Shanghai and hoping that works everywhere, we're going to tailor our products, our services, our client experience to different regions. So whether that's the actual products themselves, whether that's the trading environment we offer, it's going to be tailored so that the people of that region are absolutely happy with that. That's going to be the main thing that we do strategy-wise. In terms of products and what sets us apart, as I've said before, we're an FCA-regulated broker. We're licensed and registered by the FCA, so that gives clients peace of mind that with us, their money is safe, it's not going anywhere. So they always know no matter what happens to Amana Capital, their money is safe. Number two, we actually have a whole host of services to assist our clients in becoming better traders. So we're very much an education-focused broker. So we don't want our clients to not understand how to trade. We want them to really know how to trade, what they're doing in the markets, and how to get the best out of it. For that, we actually have an entire website, which I'm not sure is written up here, but it's called TradeCaptain.com. Trade Captain, we have it in Chinese as well. It's actually an educational analysis website that's fully geared towards helping clients understand how to trade and learn more about the markets. We have a whole team of analysts that are ready 24/5 to help our clients, as well as a fully functional customer service team in China, in the Middle East, and in London, ready to assist our clients at any time. I think that's what's going to set us apart, and hopefully that strategy will clients will understand the value of the services we give them, outside of just looking at quick returns, which unfortunately hasn't worked out that well for a lot of the clients in the Chinese market, as you know from the press reports.
Okay. So the last question is, what are the advantages for clients to trade with you?
Advantages, well, once again, regulation, as I've said before. Secondly, would be the education side, tradecaptain.com. We have an entire portal to assist clients, from someone who's never traded before to someone who's been trading for 10 years. There's always something they can learn more. Our analysts, our educators are people who trade the markets for a living. They've been between them, they probably have more than 50 years experience trading the markets across 5-6 different analysts. So that's number one. That's number two. Third thing is going to be this. Our execution and our pricing is some of the best that's going to be available in China. By that I mean we can offer very, very tight spreads. We can offer very tight spreads starting at 0.9 pips on euro-dollar with no commissions. So we offer very tight spreads. It's a great trading environment, and the client can trade with us comfortably, knowing that their interests are aligned with our interests. We want our clients to make money. We actually want our clients to make money as opposed to lose money. We make money when the client trades. So if they trade more, if they're more successful, the better it is for us in the long term. We want to have a long, fruitful relationship with our clients.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you for sharing, and thank you for your time. Thank you.